In today's video, I'm going to draw UniKitty. Let's start with a rectangle for her head. And I'm drawing it in the middle of the page. And this is her head shape, because she's a Lego UniKitty. Now she has another little piece of Lego coming off here. So almost like a triangle piece for the ear. And again, the same, and I've left a little bit of a gap there so where it joins on. Now she's got a horn, so a little rectangle piece here in the middle, make sure that's in the middle, and then another little rectangle piece, a longer thinner one, and then the first little brick, and then this horn gets narrower as it comes in, so I'm just going to draw it up like this, and then we can add some details in. So 1, 2, 3 lines like so. That's the horn of UniKitty. A line across here. Now I'm going to put another line across the bottom, the same distance as that line. Then we're going to draw a really happy face smile through here, so a little shape like that. Bring it down and around and back up. Shape over like so. The line coming up through the middle with an oval shape for the nose. Circle for the eye. And circle for the other eye. Try and keep them the same size. Another circle and another circle, and now we're going to draw the light part of her face. So the line comes up here, over the top, over there, up and over, then back down, and then we're going to draw a circle for her cheeks, and then above this line we're going to put some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3 that side. 1, 2, 3 that side. Colour in the eyes. Now we're going to draw a little piece for her neck. Little rectangle. Then another little rectangle like so. To make UniKitty easy, we're going to keep her body the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a line coming from here all the way through to there. Then a straight line coming down, a vertical line we call that. Same on this side. Vertical line, make sure that comes down the same distance. Then we're going to come across and bring this one across here. Now we're going to have an archway. So starting there, I'm going to come down and around that way, and down and around this way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put one line across here and another line across here. And we're going to do the same on the other side. 1, 2. Alright, now it's time for the tail. So we're going to start here and come out, and then around, and then up for the tail like that. And then we're going to do the same, another little line here. So starting out here, come down and around, and then sort of follow into there and back. 1, 2, and then back around. I'm going to outline her with a thicker brush marker.